Hey Daniel, Melissa here over at West Coast Connects. We spoke to Terry last week, so I wanted to take a minute and shoot over that video as promised. So I'm going to go through and do an online audit and show you some tips and tricks on how you can get to that first page of Google and what kind of traffic you're missing out on. So looking at your website here, it looks really great, looks very professional, has a nice layout, good call to action page. It doesn't have a whole lot of content here on the homepage though. And one thing I can tell you about Google is they love a lot of content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And within that content, you want to use keywords, things that like the services that you offer and the areas that you serve. Things like roofer, Albuquerque, New Mexico, roofer companies, Albuquerque, New Mexico, things of that nature. And that's really going to help your site to start ranking and get to that first page of Google. So when you do a Google search for roofing Albuquerque, New Mexico, Google has what's called crawlers. So they crawl and search the internet, ranking those results. So like I said, you want to list keywords, things like the services that you offer and areas you serve. So the first thing that comes up is Google Ads. These are all the companies that are paying per click. And then when we scroll down a little bit further, this is what we call the map pack. These are all of the companies that have a Google business profile. And I did see that you guys had one here, which is really great, super important to have. There's quite a few ways that you can help to rank this because you really want to be in one of these top 3 positions. Because let's face it, people are lazy. They're not going to scroll to the second and third pages of this. You really want to be in this top 3 so that you're easy to be found and you're going to get the most phone calls coming in. So the 3 things that you can do to help rank this. The first thing is citations. What is a citation? A citation is any directory where your business name, address, and phone number is listed. There are thousands of them, but things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, those are all citations. And the more citations you have, the better you're going to rank on this map pack. The second thing you want to do is add photos, and you want to save those photos as those keywords we talked about. You typically want to have at least 15 to 20 photos on your GBP. The third thing you want to do is add Google reviews. Again, you want to have at least 25 5-star reviews. All 3 of those things combined are really going to make a difference in you getting to the top of this map pack. When we scroll down a little bit further, this is called the organic listings. Again, you really want to be in the top of this as well. Super easy to be found, and if you're the top in the organic listings and the GBP, that's really where you want to be at. So let's go take a look at this number 1 guy and see why he's there. Right Way Roofing. So here's his website. It looks nice too. Again, it really doesn't have enough content though, so they would be super easy to beat out content wise. But obviously there's a few other things that goes into it as well. So let's go take a look at their site in here. We use this program called Ahrefs. It goes in and analyzes the back end so you can see what you're up against and what you need to do in order to beat them out and outrank them on that Google page. This is called the UR and the DR rating, and these numbers are super important when it comes to Google. The UR is going to be how trustworthy your site is, and the DR is how powerful it is. The UR is typically raised by citations, what we spoke about earlier, those directories, and the DR is raised by backlinks. Now you might be wondering what the heck a backlink is. So a backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google thinks of it as a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more they see your site as being powerful and authoritative, and they're going to kick it to the top of their rankings. Another thing to note is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're grabbing backlinks from powerful and authoritative sites. Always remember quality over quantity when it comes to backlinking. So you can see here they have 573 backlinks coming from 99 referring domains, and they also have over 200 organic keywords. All of those 3 things combined, the citations, backlinks, and keywords, that's all helping them to rank and get on the top of the first page of Google. So they're getting 589 people that are visiting their site per month. So we take a look at yours. Your UR and DR numbers really aren't that bad at all. They'd be easily raised. You do have 526 backlinks coming from 105 referring domains. 136 keywords, and you're getting 91 people that are visiting your site per month. So you can see if you just implement a few of these strategies, you could raise that number up to the 600 range. Pretty simple. So anyways, Daniel, I hope that this video finds you well and you can find some time to implement some of these strategies. I think it'd really help you to grow your business and get some more traffic in the door through your website. Please feel free to leave us some feedback. You can reply to this email or you can call me directly. Again, my name's Melissa. My number's 321-225-2694. Have a great day.